Okay, so our plan for today was to go to DTukad River Club, but you can clearly tell it hasn't been kept up these last 2 years. Like it's pretty run down. I don't know, it just didn't look very nice. But across the river is this other river club called Omma, so let me show you what that's like. So DTukad is just right up there, and there's the waterfall. You can cross the river on a little bridge, and then this is Omma, which is actually where we're gonna post up today, because it's open, it's clean, it has been kept up. It looks really nice. It's definitely, the food is definitely what you would expect at, say, like, you know, what's it called? A day club. We don't usually do these things, but we're going for a new experience here. So this is about an hour east of Canggu. We got this pool. We will definitely be getting in there later. So these tables in here have a minimum spend of 200,000. You got this like private little waterfall back here. Look at this thing. And then I'll show you the upstairs. I don't know what those day beds minimum spend is, but I know there's some kind of minimum spend on that. Now we'll go up to the top level here. Oh gosh, I guess there's even a higher level than I'm already on. This is where we're posted up. Hey y'all. So I'll have this view. You can look down on the pool. Like, this place is massive. Oh my gosh. Hello. If you're all into like the Instagram-y pictures, you got that with the swing here. And let's see. So there's that level there. And we'll go all the way up to the top. Why not? Like just tons of different hangout places here. Oh, I love how green it is here. Seriously, Bali, I love you for how green you are. Okay, now we've officially reached the top level. Looks like that's like a private area. And these are the prices that you're looking at for drinks. And then this is your food prices. You got pizzas for, 90 to 140. You've got burgers or sandwiches for 80 to 175. All right, our foods are rad. We have French fries, a meat lover's pizza, and this black beef burger with bacon and onion rings. Yum! Like normally, day clubs, beach clubs aren't my thing at all. I don't frequent them, but I thoroughly enjoyed my day today at Omma. And that one, while it is a river club, I believe they actually call themselves Omma Dayclub, but amazing. So it is $15,000 to get into this area. So whether you just go to the waterfall or you go over and only go to DTukad or you only go to Omma, anywhere in that area, no matter what you do, it's a 20,000 rupiah entry fee, which is like $1.30-ish. So depending on where you sit in Omma, there's no entry fee for like Omma specifically. Depending where you sit, there could be minimum spends. I talked about that in the video. Where we sat, there was no minimum spend. And it was awesome. So like when we went down to swim, we hadn't finished our food yet. And so while we were down in the swimming pool, they came and put these big plastic covers over our food. So like, the flies wouldn't get it. It wouldn't, with the wind and stuff, it wouldn't dry out. It kept it fresh, which was awesome. So oh my gosh. Again, I freaking had an amazing time at Omma. You 100% have got to go there, without a doubt. Okay, as always, like the video, leave me a comment. What did you think of Omma? Is it just me, or is that place freaking awesome? Subscribe for more unique travel adventures, and the next video will be right here in 3, 2, 1.